Welcome back, guys. Got Eric with us here again. Chain is overly tight right there, but if you move it just a little bit, it's like extremely loose, so that's a problem, but we're just gonna vibe. No sir, thank you though. Look at the size of these poops. They're not crazy big, but there's just so much of it. So not sure how far we're gonna get through this park here, because like I said, the guy at the gate said he's not sure if we're allowed to have these out here, and we saw the only FWC officer apparently that's out here. He took off towards the entrance when we were coming in. He saw the bikes, and I don't think, you know, I think if he would have had an issue, would have been like, hey, don't ride them out here. You want to do that? It's pretty sandy. Not really. It's got some hard pack stuff to where I think we'll be all right riding it around, but it actually might be better for us to go that way on the gravel road. It's gravel back that way and sand this way.
Gravel we go then, I guess.
Yeah, I think it'd be smarter for our batteries.
Yeah.
Oh boy. Which way? I like to party. All right, not bad. Oh, Mr. Eric. Good choice. Sick. Look at that. That's more dry. Like hard pack grass.
Yeah, baby.
Get in there, boy. Crush it. Yeah. Parkour. Oh, I almost just took that like a spear to the heart. Oh, I didn't even look at the rut there. Imagine if we lived in the ages of dinosaurs right now, but we were on these things. Man, that was like our only way of survival, like on how to get around. Oh.
That's pretty crazy. I wonder what happened.
A little back bend went too far.
Maybe.
POV, you get lost on the first trail. That thing must have fallen from a great height. Look how flat it is. I know the trail is somewhere, but where? Did we lose the trail?
What I was just saying. This road is just like destroying my... Is that it right there? Or is that it over there?
I think it was more that way.
Yeah, you're right.
Don't say that just yet. This is an area you don't really need volts, you need amps. Amps will get you that torque that you're looking for to get through all this kind of stuff. The voltage will get you the higher speed, but arguably, yeah, there we go, arguably, whatever. Who gives a shit about speed out here? Sometimes you just want to be able to toot around with your boys. You don't need to go too fast. It is nice having the power though, like especially in the sand and mud. Oh, poop. Oh boy. Same thing. Okay. Dang it. I'm all right. I just didn't want to go down in the poop. No, I'm good. I just got to get out of this. I knew it was coming. I just got to use the grass as traction. Should we take that path to the right?
I don't think so.
No?
That water stretches all the way
Okay. Oh, I don't even think we should be going this far.
Yeah, no. We gotta turn around.
Yeah, okay. That was a good trail.
Yeah.
Pine cone. I had to think about it for a second. I wanted to call it an acorn. Ooh, that was a pointy rock I ran over. Yeah. Look at that shadow. Following me move for move. If you could see my face, I was just sitting there all scrunch faced with my tongue just pressed out my face. Like I'm trying to lick my helmet or something. That tire needs to stop spinning. Are you done? I mean, he's almost done. There he goes. Now he's spinning backwards. Honestly, I've never ridden this far into here. I normally just either hit the shooting range or, you know, park relatively close inside of the park and just walk or whatever I've done. And I'll be honest, I didn't know that this was all the way out here. My hands hurt. Or my forearms hurt, I should say. Going down. All right, I'll follow you so I can get your prettiness in the sunset. Oh, he's got the highway pegs out in full force. Bad. Bad to the bone. Oh, it's a dog. What's up, man? His dog was like, look at these nerds on these electric mini bikes, Dad. Whatever, dude. Bro's cooking, dude. I bet them forks are smooth as hell. Dude, you were cooking it.
Yeah, dude, this thing rips.
I bet the forks feel nice.
Yeah.
Like, do you feel like you're bumping really, like, excessive? Obviously, it's gonna be bumpy, but no. You look so smooth, and I'm back here, like, jarring around.
No, all the suspension is solid.
Fuck yeah. Do 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 do. All right, guys, we're back at the truck again. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. We got a couple more good ones. We've been sightseeing, trying to find a couple better places to ride, and we're getting a little bit better at it. So come along with us and enjoy.